everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to delete all Facebook photos at once. So for that, first thing is open the Facebook application of yours. So once you're at the Facebook homepage, you need to go and tap on the profile icon of yours. Tap that. There on the profile page, you scroll down and then tap on the three dotted lines. Tap that. This will give you this option, and from the profile setting, you need to tap on activity log. Tap on it. Now once you're at this activity log page, you need to click on manage your post option in your post. So once you're over here, you need to tap on manage your post. Tap that. Here you will find all the posts and the activities that you have done on your account. So here you will find all the activities that you have made, like Facebook posting, sharing a post, or any other activity. Now we need to filter the post only. So tap on filter. Now in the filter, you tap on categories. And there you need to choose the option photos and videos. Tap that. So here you will find all the posts that you have made on your Facebook. Currently I only have one, as I do not use this account much and I have not posted anything at all. So there's only one post. So for you to delete that, you just tap on all option over here, which will select all the activities of posting videos and photos over here in the lineup and will get selected. So once you have selected all the option, you need to tap on trash. Items moved to trash will be deleted after 30 days. Tap on move to trash. This will delete all the lined up activities that you have made on Facebook. This will delete all the Facebook posts that you have made. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.